There's a principle in life that I call blind spots. And the way we test this is we've all got blind spots, even in terms of the physical. We have certain peripheral vision, but beyond that, we become blind to things. And one way we can test that is to hold both of your fingers, your thumbs in front of you, keep your left one fixed and keep your eyes on that. And as you move your right hand backwards, at some point I lose sight of that right thumb in my peripheral vision. Now, here's the principle, and the thing that we should understand. Everyone has blind spots. So I've got them, you have them, our spouse has them. This is not a point of criticism against them, but it's a point of acknowledging that we simply need each other. There are things that I cannot see behind me, but when I'm walking in partnership with someone, they have the ability to see things that maybe I don't see. This is why our marriage partnership is so important and why it's so valuable. Because, and again, I say it's not a point of criticism against each other. It's a point of support, encouragement, and protection for one another. And because we all have those blind spots, we need each other. But you go back to the creation account, and every religion has their story of creation. As a Christian, I look to Scripture, I look to the Bible, and I see that God said it's not good for man to be alone. And this is interesting because man is in a perfect environment. He has a perfect relationship with God, and yet God says you're incomplete. And so from him, he took a partner that was his helpmate. So working together, they could accomplish the things that God had for them. They could be in relationship with one another. They could experience love in a personal relationship and not just a spiritual relationship. And so these things are important, and that's why we need one another. And to be honest, marriage should be that place where that partnership is the closest, and we offer that kind of support for one another because we can see each other's blind spots, and in that we support one another.